Okay, welcome everybody. Good morning. Thanks for joining the session. I'm Mireia Manent. I'm from a Barcelona-based company called WeDo in short. We are coordinating the KALEIDOS project, and I give you a warm welcome to the second webinar of the Network for Open Science Professionals that at KALEIDOS we are moving forward. Thanks for joining this morning. We will be having a very interesting webinar, I think. We will have the contributions of Mireia Manent from the European Commission and from Sofia Mojica from the Autonomous University of Barcelona, a KALEIDOS partner, and very much working in the network and the definition of the open science profiles that we have undertaken in the context of the project. So our warm welcome. Just one minor logistics comment. The session will be recorded and it will be then later available online. And the questions can be posted on the chat of the team session, and I will be moderating the questions towards the last part of this webinar. So just to start, I'm going to give you a really brief introduction to recap for those of you who do not know about KALEIDOS yet. So KALEIDOS is a project. It's a coordinated and support action that's 30 months long, and that we have developed in a consortium of 6 partners and one associated entity. It's a project that basically works to enhance knowledge valorization, and we have a systemic view by which we try to bring in all the actors in the research and university ecosystems. And what we try to achieve is to identify research solutions that can be then converted into practical solutions for the challenges in the ecosystems. In the project, our focus is basically on enhancing both research and innovation managers, the later ones playing a critical role as facilitators of the processes happening in the ecosystem. So the impact that we are aiming for in the context of KALEIDOS is basically diverse. It has one part that is focused on the organizational transformation of the participants, providing them with a strategic overview and also contributing to the development of action plans that can enhance sustained change towards knowledge valorization with an open science approach. And on the capacity building, which is basically contributing in the extent possible to the definition of professional profiles, which is something that's happening at the EU level, but also contributing with the trainings for both for managers and for researchers, and the building this network that we are building together here today. We want also to enhance the stakeholder engagement in the ecosystem, helping universities and research centers connect with the local stakeholders and have long-lasting, enriching relationship for both. And also at the end, we want to contribute to the existing policy actions that are happening at the EU level, contributing to the mapping and developing recommendations. And just to finalize why we want to have a network, we think most important part of our project is actually people, connecting people and bringing people together. So what we try to have here is a space where you can and have access to best practices that we have enhanced during the project. And you can also share your experiences when using the toolkit or other knowledge valorization best practices based on open science. We want to enhance peer learning by these exchanges, and we want to connect you with information that is available in our ecosystems. And we want to enable the creation of connections. And at the end of the day, we want to foster new collaboration. So these are the goals of the network. We hope you find the webinar interesting. And just to finalize my introduction, to let you know that there's going to be upcoming webinars in April and in June, in which we will talk about the social impact of knowledge valorization, and we will also share the lessons learned during the project implementation as we reach the conclusion of the project.